Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video, guys, we'll be working here on a BMW 3 Series generation 2005-2013, and if your power mirrors, guys, do not work, we'll show you how to find the fuse for that thing now. So this is the mirror switch here, guys, and there is one fuse that controls your mirrors, and we'll show you how to do that. Now we'll have, guys, more than 200 videos taking this car apart, so please hit that subscribe button for more videos and we'll keep making them. So thank you for watching, and let's go ahead and start on the fuse. We need to go to the passenger side now, and we need to open the glove box compartment. Okay, right here, open the glove box, and we have that plastic cover that we need to remove by turning those things 90 degrees. Okay, and pull it out. Okay, let me get that cable out. Okay, now this, guys, is your fuse box here, and we need to locate fuse number 21. This is the fuse puller right here, just slide it out. And fuse number 21, guys. Okay, you can see that middle block with 10 fuses there. 21 is the very one on the bottom, the very left one. On the bottom, the very left one. So with the small side of the fuse puller here, we're going to go ahead, grab it. In our case, it's 7.5 amp fuse. Okay, let me get the new one. 7.5 amp fuse, and you can find out in the description of the video where we got ours from. And when you're ready to install it, guys, okay, make sure that it goes in really good, and gently push it in. If it doesn't go in, it's not aligning, so you need to make sure that everything's aligning. Now we have videos for every fuse in that fuse box, so if you need help with anything, check out the channel. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.